Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a stonecutter named Tom. Tom was strong, but he wasn't happy with his work. He spent all day cutting stones under the hot sun. Every day, he wished for an easier and better life. One day, as Tom was cutting stones, he looked up at the mountain and saw a rich businessman riding in a fancy carriage. Tom thought to himself, I wish I could be as powerful and respected as that businessman. To his surprise, a magical voice said, "Your wish is granted." Suddenly, Tom became the businessman. He rode through the village in a beautiful carriage, and people bowed to him with respect. At first, Tom felt satisfied. But soon, he realized that even the richest people get hot under the sun. He then wished, I want to be the sun. The sun is the most powerful thing in the world. Again, the magical voice replied, Your wish is granted. Tom became the sun and shone brightly over the village. He felt powerful and proud, knowing that everyone needed him. But then, a cloud came and blocked his rays. Frustrated, Tom wished, I wish I were a cloud, because it can block the sun. And just like that, he became a cloud. He floated in the sky, covering the sun and bringing rain to the land below. He felt happy again. But soon, he noticed that the wind was pushing him wherever it wanted. So, he wished, I want to be the wind, because it can control the clouds. His wish was granted, and he became the wind. He blew over the land, bending trees and moving clouds. But then, he came across a big mountain that he couldn't move, no matter how hard he blew. Tom realized that the mountain was stronger than the wind. He thought, I wish I could be a mountain. Nothing is stronger than a mountain. And so, he became a mighty mountain, standing tall and unshakable. He felt invincible until he heard a faint sound below him. It was a stonecutter, chipping away at the rocks of the mountain. Suddenly, Tom realized that the simple stonecutter, like he once was, had the power to shape even the strongest mountain. He understood that being himself was not so bad after all. The magical voice returned one last time and asked, Do you wish to be a stonecutter again? Tom smiled and nodded. He was happy to return to his life as a stonecutter, but now, he had a new appreciation for his work. He realized that true strength comes not from wealth or power, but from being content with who you are. From that day on, Tom worked happily, knowing that he had the power to shape his own life, just like the stones he cut every day. Moral of the story: be content with who you are. The grass may seem greener on the other side, but true happiness comes from appreciating what you have and who you are. Sometimes, the power you seek is already within you.